In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto on MetaTrader 4. Now, whether you can do this or not is going to depend on the broker you are using with MT4. So if your broker does not support trading crypto, you won't be able to trade it inside MetaTrader 4. So let me show you how to check this. You want to go to the top left here and you want to go to View and click on Symbols. You could also press Ctrl and U on your keyboard and that's going to pop up. Now in here, you're going to have a bunch of different categories. I only have Forex and Forex.wt on my MetaQuotes or MT4 demo account. And as you can see, there's no cryptos in here whatsoever. There's a bunch of different things like Forex, but there's no cryptos. That means my broker does not support it. And in that case, if you wanted to trade crypto, you'd have to switch a broker to a different broker which supports crypto. So I'll show you how to do this right now. You could go and Google which broker supports it and sign up for that specific broker. You could also get like a demo account. That's going to work as well. And then you want to go to File top left and you can do Open an account, find your broker by clicking down here, and of course type it in, and then you'll have to sign in using your credentials. If you're not sure how to connect that specific broker with MT4, I most likely do have a video on my channel teaching you exactly how to do this for that specific broker, so go watch that first and then come back. Now, once you've done this, I'm going to actually go to accounts and I'm just going to sign into my Ava demo account over here. So it's the demo account, log in, there we go. And then there we go, it's going to log you in. And if I now go to View and then Symbols, you can see that there's a bunch of things, and over here in between we have crypto as well. So it's gonna say CFD crypto, cryptocurrencies, whatever. You simply want to extend it, and in there you'll find crypto. So here I have a bunch of different ones. As you can see, I have, for example, ETH/USD. If I want to enable this, I can just click on it and click or show, or just double click on it and it's going to enable. If I now click on close, and if I open this market watch over here, it's going to show it at the very bottom. I can right click and chart window, and there we go. I'm now basically trading crypto on MT4. I can create a new order. I can go and buy and sell. I can place stop losses, take profits, whatever, okay? So that's how to trade crypto on MT4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.